Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how people are making up to 2,000 per day using VEO3 AI with TikTok Shop affiliate. Sounds crazy, right? But don't worry, I will walk you through step by step. We will keep it simple, using AI tool to create content that looks like UGC, so you can promote products without even showing your face. Quick intro first. TikTok Shop affiliates lets you promote products sold on TikTok Shop, and when someone buys through your link, you earn commissions. And the key is content, especially product video that feel authentic. And that's where AI comes in. Instead of recording everything yourself, you can use tools like Gemini, Nano Banana, and Google Flow to generate realistic content in minutes. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Gemini and then just choose create image to access Nano Banana. And then just upload your product photo. And here I will use a skincare serum. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just upload or select your photo. And then now write a detailed prompt. For example, I will type my prompt like this. For example like this, and then when you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, like this, your AI made UGC photo ready to go, and then just download it. And next, just open Google Flow like this, and then tap on new projects, and then choose frames to video. Upload your image like this, and then crop and save. And then just write another prompt. You can use similar details from before, but adjust it for video. For example, you can make a prompt like this. For example, like this, and then just go to settings, and then choose your model. I will choose VEO3 fast, and then one output, and then I will choose aspect ratio to portrait like this, and then just hit generate. And okay, your video is ready. Let's try to play it.
This serum keeps my skin glowing. Get it now from TikTok Shop. This serum keeps my skin glowing. Get it now from TikTok Shop.
And okay, like this. Even the video has another weird hands, but I think the result is looks good. The gesture is good. You can just tweak your prompt to generate another video until you got the best video. And okay, that's it. Using VEO3 AI tools like Gemini and Google Flow, you can quickly create UGC style video to promote TikTok Shop's product. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.